Hi, I'm Saraswati, CGM of Madhya Pradesh RO from NABARD. So, we all have read number of tales from Panchtantra where we talk about strength is unity and there is unity in strength. But today, I'm going to talk about how there is strength in not only unity but also adversity. So this villain in India in the pre 90s, they didn't have access to credit, they didn't have collaterals, they didn't have land in their names, and therefore they were always they did not have access to institutional finance, they didn't have access to training and capacity building. So they were in their own, they were doing a lot of work, but they didn't have any recognition socially or economically. After the advent of SCG Bank Finance and SCG Bank Linkage Program, these women were organized into collectives, and the peer pressure was the only collateral they could offer. And these women started functioning well within that these women collectives, and they had access to institutional finance also. These women collectives have functioned very well, and today we started as a humble program of 500 SAGs, but today we have 1.5 crore SAGs and a huge membership and also a huge loan outstanding. So this is the strength of collective. Now, what is the future of these collectives or cooperatives, women cooperatives? So they should have. It cannot be just consumption credit, or it cannot be just small credit which they are using for their work. They should grow into big businesses. They should grow into micro enterprises. And in today's world, technology plays a very important role, and they should have access to technology. Even today, we see in the rural areas, women do not have mobile phones. Many women lack these technological devices, which will help them to gain better access to funds, better access to high value businesses. So, the need of the hour is to link women to all these things and make them very tech savvy and also business savvy, give them training programs on capacity building, on entrepreneurship development, and also make them into very strong business women. So, in that journey, NABARD definitely has already played a role, and it is already playing a role because we see so many examples of where we have given the livelihood and enterprise development program. We have trained women, and they work as business correspondents. They are called the bank sakhis, or they are the pashu sakhis, where they take care of the animal health program. And in addition to that, the larger collectives are formed, FPOs also. There are all women FPOs which are very good. They are functioning very well, and they have access to markets. They are branding their products. I know of one very good FPO in MP, that is a Subpuranchal all women FPO. It has branded its products so well, and it is selling all across, and it's having orders from so many people. So these kind of structures are to be promoted. These kind of women businesses are to be promoted, and women cooperatives can do really well if they are backed by finance and technology.